Hi, I'm Jim with Marine Electronics Installation, and I'm here today to go over some mounting options for your chart plotters and fish finders. Alright, here we have a typical dash on a boat. This is one way to actually mount a unit, is a bracket mount. This is for a 12-inch unit, which is a little larger than what we probably put on this boat normally. But with the bracket, there's actually holes in the bottom for mounting, holes in the side that there are thumb screws that go through to hold the unit. This bracket will be placed on a dash in a convenient location for viewing. We can angle this, and also once the unit is mounting into it, the unit can change angles also. This gets mounted down to the dash, and then the cabling will be ran into a hole behind the bracket or sometimes underneath the bracket, depending on the type of unit and bracket. This is one way to mount and do multiple units up here on this dash. There would be room to do a couple 7-inch units. 9-inch units probably would even fit on this dash with brackets if we wanted to do that. Another option for mounting would be a flexible arm such as the ram mount. This would actually get mounted into your dash somewhere, wherever it's convenient. The actual base of it gets mounted down, and then the bracket for the unit actually mounts onto the top of the ram mount. That way this is fully adjustable for tilt, pivot. The angle can be changed on here. A lot of times this is good if there's not a lot of dash space. We need to get above some gauges. This is fully articulate. You can loosen this knob. You can move this to whatever position or angle that you like. You can adjust the height. These can be mounted on the side of a dash, so you can put a small unit over here on the side. We typically don't use a ram mount for units over about 9 or 10 inches in size. We have done a few 12-inch units on ram mounts. We go to a larger, heavier duty ball and socket on the mount. They do make a heavy duty mount to go up to, I believe, 12-inch units. But these are great for some of the pontoon boats, some of the smaller fishing boats, trying to squeeze a little more screen onto a real small dash. That's another option for mounting your fish finders and chart plotters. One more option would be to flush mount the unit into the dash by cutting a hole and using stainless hardware to anchor the unit permanently into the dash of the boat. Bracket mount, ram mounts, and flush mount are the three most common ways that we mount units into boats. Even if there's already an existing hole, a lot of times we can still flush mount. Fiberglass can be filled in, re-gel coated. We can cut a fresh hole in it for a new factory-like look. Or we can also use starboard or another type of plastic to fill in the hole and then cut a new hole for the new unit into that piece of starboard. That's also another popular way to mount the unit into a dash when there's already an existing hole. So there are several options. Most boats, one of these options will work, so these are your choices. We thank you for watching the video, and hope that you will like and subscribe so that we can provide more videos in the future. Thank you.